As we knew, in 1930, lung cancer was a rare disease. In the 1970s a radical change took place. Lung cancer became the leading cause of cancer death among males in the United States of America. Scientists hope that many cancer will be cured through chemo in the future. Uncontrolled growth and the proliferation of cells in the body are commonly known as cancer. Under the microscope, the blackened dotted cells known as nuclei are identified as cancer cells. This identity is defined as compared to living cells of small round black dots with a wall-like perimeter surrounding them. The broken black core does not contain such a wall. These invasive cells can occur in all types of animals and plant life alike. Our focus, in this introduction, is basically a closer look at cancer, a focus on humanity, and a very real threat to our health and our lives. The process of cell division is out of control during cancer invasion when cell units are produced continuously, much more than required. To make matters worse, these unnecessary cells usually produce more unnecessary tissue required in the matter. While these new wild cells are constantly divided, they are usually in the formation of larger and larger masses of new tissues. These tumors are known. Not all tumors are harmful or life-threatening. Some of these tumors are benign. Although they do not benefit from the body, they can easily interfere in their normal activities. This type of tumor is usually surrounded by a skin-like membrane, limiting its growth, preventing invasive cells from spreading to other areas of the body. The killer cells, called malignant, do not contain and have no walls attached to them, preventing them from spreading to other areas or areas of the body. They invade all normal cellular tissues. They grow, spread rapidly, invade, dominate and destroy all normal cellular tissues. These monsters are also tumors. These are the only ones that are cancer. Cancer can occur in any type of living cell. Since there are many types of cell tissue present, the human class alone has more than 100 different types of cell tissue, so there can be more than one type of cancer cells. In short, cancer is not a single disease but a great range of diseases. The human body consists of many different types of cellular tissues. All of these are in turn, consisting of or containing many other different types of cell tissue. Many of these cells are constantly divided, making it possible for the body to make more of itself, explaining why young humans grow, why the body repairs itself, replacement of worn tissue, etc. The four main types of cancer are called carcinoma, sarcomas, leukemias and lymphomas. Many types of skin cancer can be written as cancer or cancer of the skin. It has been identified as a skin-like layer in the lungs, stomach, internal organs, glands and or upper and lower intestine of humans and animals alike. The connective tissue such as bone, cartilage, and fat are attacked by cancer known as sarcoma. This is the kind of cancer that attacked my 9-year-old niece. Cancer involving bone marrow cells is leukemia. Lymphoma is defined as the cancer that attacks the blood. Although these two cancers attack blood cells, lymphoma is the cancer that attacks a lymphatic system or lymph nodes. Lymph is the fluid that fills the voids between cells of the body. According to cancer research, more than 90% of cancers appear or occur in people over the age of 40. Because of the fact that people live longer, cancer has become a common disease. This conclusion is partly due to the fact that people have not lived a long life, primarily above the age of 35 or 40. Chemicals are another factor that is part of the blame for the epidemic. Cigarette smoke is the basic principle in infection from now until now. Cancer, in the United States, is known to be one of the leading causes of death infections. The current statistics show that more than 1/3 of registered cancer patients are actual survivors. Many patients are treated with radiation in carefully administered X-rays, radioactive cobalt, radioisotopes, and or chemotherapy drug treatment. This type of treatment aims at treating the cancer patient from his pain. The purpose of research by many clinics and research institutions around the world is to prevent new cancers. Early detection of a disease allows for early defense. Allow the implementation of new and improved treatment with new ways to prevent and/or treat this deadly disease. Cancer detection is the ultimate goal. Successful treatment of a disease